There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? What's up? Your girl A's here, okay? Yes, girl, what's up? Using my own voice for this video. I had to give myself some time with these teeth, with these partial dentures. Girl, I had to just give myself some time. And yeah, true indeed, I was voiceovering before my teeth went missing. But girl, listen, I had to give it some time. Now, do I prefer these partials over my little Amazon tooth right here? I mean, girl, it is what it is. Whatever makes me feel comfortable and happy for the day. As long as I got some teeth in, it's okay. What's up, y'all, though? For real though, what's up, you guys? Let me tell y'all about this half wig, okay? Let me just tell y'all. Hold on, let me get a little set. First of all, I had this half wig for a minute. When I tell y'all I had it for a minute, I had it for a minute. My whole intentions was to style it on Mumsy, but for some reason her hair was not straightening with the hot comb. I don't know what it is. She's never had her hair flat ironed. She's never had her hair straight, and so it just was not doing what it was supposed to do to match this kinky straight wig. Like, I had all good intentions of hooking her up with a new style, but it didn't work out like that, okay, in the video, so I had to scrap it. Now, I said, let me wash this wig because I was throwing it all over Mumsy's head trying to get it to work right. And then I'm going to press it so that way it could really maybe blend a lot better for my own natural hair. Because y'all know a girl is bald-headed in the front. Like, I've been trying to grow my sides and my edges back since God knows when, okay? Like, seriously, I've been using this stuff every day and I really don't know if it's working or not. So I've been really trying to grow my edges back for God knows how long now, okay? Some people be saying it worked for them. Some people be saying that it don't. I don't really know, but it has the minoxidil in it. So that's the main reason why I wasn't wearing half wigs anymore and stuff like that, because it's like, girl, my edges is thin and my hair is thin in general in the front and stuff like that. You know, I don't know what it is, but I really feel like my hair is falling out. It is falling out. I've been said it was falling out. So I've been wearing it just very loose cornrows every day, not this, but 2 cornrows. This is me preparation for the half wig. I had to prepare the half wig. Now, let me tell y'all, like I said, I've been using this stuff to try to make my hair grow. And my edges grow back in. I don't know if it's working or not. I really don't know. But from the looks of things, I'm looking. It don't look like it is. 1 minute it look like it want to be there. 1 minute it look like it's like, girl, listen, I'm not trying to be here with you today. So I don't know. I don't even know. But anyway, but it did get longer. And I've been taking my hair vitamins and stuff. So I don't know what the problem is, girl. But anyway, so I know I look a little bit crazy right now, so let's just move this on back. Okay, so let me tell y'all, I had this wig for a minute. Yes, I did, and it's from a wig company. Now, y'all gonna trip, because it's called Likable Wig. Like, I ain't never even really heard of a website called Likable Wig. Likable Wig? Like, I want to like it. Like, I guess they're telling you it's likable. You're definitely going to like it. It's likable. It's definitely likable. Likable Wig, okay? They got wigs, girl, they got wigs, and they got a 30% off coupon code, so you can use that down below, and I'm going to install it in this video, so that way y'all could just, use my code, girl, get 30% off. Now, let me tell y'all real quick about Likable Wig. The half wig is definitely decent. Who don't love a good half wig? When I tell y'all I washed this wig, and then I went ahead and pressed it, it came out a lot smoother than what the natural texture of it was, which was kinky straight. And that wasn't gonna really blend with my little bald-headed self. So, with that being said, she's been curled for like a week now. Or probably more, because girl, I get lazy sometimes. But she real pretty, though. She real pretty. She ain't got no headband on her. She just a half wig. Half wig, okay? So we're going to get into this video real quick. I'm going to just listen to some music. And, girl, we're going to try our best just to see how this works, okay? Also forgot to mention, she do have a drawstring in the back, okay?
어젯밤에 어디 있어서 내 생각하곤 있어 너 어린아이 같아 넌 아직까지 마음이 넌 아파 I'm feeling lonely Something about you make me feel insecure baby Something about you girl Stay here right by my side Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone Feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love and rewind, oh Love and you right, baby Love and rewind, oh Come on and tell me now Love and rewind, baby Love and you right, baby Love and rewind Tell me what's going on now Man, I've been switching lanes all the time 오늘 내 AKA I'm just on an edge hanging man 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이 처음이야 이런 모든 감정들이 Up and down yeah and the times in and out I can say what I wanna know the time too far to listen now tell you why I'm thinking we're just fine Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone I feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love it rewind, oh Love it you right, baby Love it rewind, oh Come on and tell me now Love it rewind, baby Love it you right, baby Love it rewind Tell me what's going on Tell me what's going on my mind, baby Cause I love it rewind, oh Love it you right, baby Love it rewind, oh Come on and tell me now Love it rewind, baby Love it you right, baby Love it rewind Tell me what's going on now 묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못했을까 내 시선은 너 하나뿐이었지 단 한 번도 I never thought you wanna leave me for another Thought it was all make-believe 아직 몰랐던 아픔들이 곧 따라오네 맹목적으로 너를 믿은 나 결국 다 어리석은 생각 나와 know what it means to be foolish So 나의 예상 못했지 clueless 한쪽에 눈물 흘러 행복해보고
Girl, this half wig gave me an issue. I had to bring it back to the old days, like when I used to wear my half wigs like this, because I didn't really like too much hair on my face. But girl, listen, let me tell y'all. So the hair texture is bomb as hell. The one thing this wig is lacking, though, is really truly lacking, is a comb in the nape. Like, girl, you're going to need to put some combs up in the nape area because the wig is slipping up. The drawstring don't help. It's not catching onto your hair. It's just rising up. So you definitely going to have to put some bobby pins, or if you got some combs, girl, sew you in a comb, because that's what I'm going to do. But this is to the company. Please put the comb in the nape. Definitely needs a comb in the nape area because the wig is lifting up in the back. Other than that, the wig is cute. Like, seriously, the wig is cute. You know, I had to like mess around and finagle a little bit, but that's what you do with half wigs. You always got to mess around. But because my hair is a little bit thinner, you know, I do use these Boltify filling fibers just to give the illusion that there's hair right there where it's thin at. So that way you don't be like, oh girl, you're missing some patches. No, I'm not. Okay. But this came out cute. Now I could wear this every freaking day. Like, seriously, if I didn't have to, this is my thing. This is my main thing. I could braid real good on the left side of my head, like really, really good, like a cornrow. It come out perfect all the time. But when I get to the right side, girl, I gotta sit there and be like, okay, concentrate. Turn the music down. Don't look at the light. Don't look at anybody. Just do this. I gotta position my head the right way, and then commence to braiding. This side gave me so much problems. Like, seriously. The right side always gives me problems, and I'm right-handed, but it's just, I think like when I get to this side, I want to go underhand versus this side. Girl, it's just a task. If you are the same way, let me know, okay? Because the right side always be needing some work, okay? But yes, girl, okay, likable wigs. Like, I'm liking this wig, though. The only thing I'm not really feeling is there's no comb in the back, but that's an easy fix. Other than that, the cap fits great. The construction is amazing. Like, girl, this texture is bomb as hell. And you see my little curls held. Plus, it takes to heat real good, girl. Now, once you wash this, it's definitely going to come back to its thickness, kinky straight. But you know what? I think I'm looking really cute right now. And let me know what y'all think of Likable Wig. Girl, yes, I did have a time, but I got through it. And I'm really proud of myself because I was about to take the wig and throw it off the balcony. But other than that, it's definitely likable. And I was able to manage a style with my little thin head. And you know, I had a long head, so I got to brush down some of my hairs and take away from that longevity, for real. But other than that, this is definitely a style. And this is what it's looking like on the top. So you guys, let me know what y'all think. I love y'all. Stay Diva and Divo-licious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs the video up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Deuces.